Modshapes, we ask, can you print a watertight model from this eFlex filament? Turn off retraction. Turn off coasting. Bump up the parameters and slow it down. A smaller test model was created and printed with these settings in about 2 hours. First, we determined the fluid capacity of this little mold. Then left the water in the mold for about 40 minutes to see if it leaked. Using VASELINE as a mold release, we mixed up a small amount of resin, which cures fast in about 12 minutes or so. This isn't perfect by any means, but I can see where it would have its uses. We tried a simpler geometry, something with no overhangs. The VASELINE is slippery. Removal of cast resin from these was impractical. The material does not flex enough and needed to be cut away. The answer is yes. You can make watertight prints with eFlex filament. With the right mold release, you can pour resin into them with good results.